Welcome to English Vibes.
Have you been waiting for this train for long?
Yeah, for a while. I guess the train is running late today.
It's always like that. Trains seem to have a habit of making us wait forever.
True. I guess we just have to get used to it.
Yeah, waiting for the train alone can get boring. I'm Ryan, by the way. Nice to meet you.
I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you too.
Sophie, that's a lovely name. Do you live around here?
Yeah, just a few stops away. What about you?
Same here, not too far from this station. Where are you off to, if you don't mind me asking?
Oh, I'm heading downtown, meeting a friend for coffee. You?
Same direction, actually. Just meeting up with some buddies. We're catching a game later.
Sounds fun. Football or basketball?
Basketball. We're huge fans of the local team. You into sports at all?
I like watching, but I wouldn't say I'm a hardcore fan. I usually get more into it when my friends drag me along to a game.
Fair enough. It's all about the atmosphere anyway, right? Even if you're not into it, the energy is pretty contagious.
Exactly. I went to a game last month, and I didn't expect to enjoy it as much as I did. The crowd, the music, the whole vibe, it's something else.
You'll have to come to a game with us sometime then. We've got a good group. It's always a blast.
Maybe I will. Sounds like fun. You guys seem like you know how to have a good time.
Oh, we try. Looks like the train's taking its sweet time today.
Yeah, typical, right? You always plan your day around the train schedule, and then it's late.
And we still keep taking it like we have a choice.
True. At least the weather's nice today. It makes waiting a little less annoying.
Agreed. So, coffee with a friend, huh? Sounds like a good way to spend the afternoon.
Yeah, we've been trying to catch up for weeks. It's one of those we're both so busy situations. You know how it is.
Oh, for sure. Life just gets in the way sometimes.
Exactly. I love the city, but it's so easy to get caught up in everything. I feel like I'm always rushing from one thing to the next.
I hear you. I'm the same way. Sometimes it feels like there aren't enough hours in the day.
Right? But then you get moments like this. Just waiting for the train, having a random conversation with a stranger, and it kind of forces you to slow down.
Yeah, I guess it's nice. In a weird way. It's funny how life works like that.
I totally agree with you.
I like the area. It's got a good vibe. Kind of lively, but not too chaotic.
Exactly. It's got that perfect balance. You can go out and have fun, but it's not too noisy when you want to just chill.
Yeah, exactly. Plus, there are so many good coffee shops around here. I'm a bit of a coffee addict, so that's a huge bonus for me.
Same. I can't start my day without it.
You're my kind of person. What's your go-to coffee order?
Depends on my mood. Usually a latte, but if I need an extra kick, I'll go for a cappuccino. What about you?
Pretty much the same. I try to mix it up sometimes, but I always end up going back to the classics.
Yeah, there's something comforting about sticking to what you know.
Totally. Although I did try this crazy new iced coffee the other day. Had like lavender syrup in it. Weird, but kinda good.
Lavender in coffee? I've never tried that. Was it really good?
Surprisingly, yeah. It's not something I'd get every day. But it was interesting. You should give it a try if you're feeling adventurous.
I might just do that. I like trying new things, even if they're a bit out there.
That's the spirit.
Looks like that's our ride.
Finally. Thought we'd be here all day.
Well, it was really nice talking to you, Ryan.
You too, Sophie. Maybe we'll run into each other again. Or, you could come to that basketball game I mentioned.
I just might take you up on that offer.